Okay, I'm going to be reviewing the Dreo PTC fan heater. I already took everything out, so I didn't have to do that. Comes with a little thank you card, but it comes with a little heater guide. So I will talk about it. So you're going to have different functions. There's turning it on. I have it on night mode, so I want to take it off night mode so you can see. So there's the temperature. It can go down to like 40 all the way up to the 90s. So let's see how high it can go. Okay, yep. So if you want to see the height, 95. Okay, and then if you want it to rotate, there we go. It's gonna go, it can go 70 degrees each way. So I got that on. If you want to stop the rotation, just hit the button again. I'm gonna start it again so it comes back. Obviously, to move it up and down, plus and minus, I'm going to stop it right here so you can see. I'm going to turn it down a little bit, and I have it on a timer right now for like it's got 1 minute left. So once the timer goes off, it will, it's 1 hour, so it'll go off when that timer goes off. Okay, modes. We got low, eco, nighttime mode, timer, and then back to the start. So you can turn it up and down. If you knocked it over, or if the animals knocked it over, if you knocked it over onto the carpet, it will turn off, so you don't have to worry about a fire or anything. So obviously pick it back up. Okay, and then also if it gets to a certain temperature, it will shut off as well so that it doesn't overheat. So very good product, sturdy, and I think it'll be great for my bathroom.
Say so, Dave. And